Hey guys, this is Tim Dawson with Mountain Automotive. Today I got a 2016 Toyota Rav4, clean CARFAX, one owner. I'm going to walk you around and show you some features on it real fast. Alright, here's a good shot of your rims and tires. Rims are in excellent shape. Plenty of tread left on the tires as well too. Now this Rav4 is going to have the remaining of the factory warranty, and we also put a warranty on everything that we sell too. Now our repair facility has done an inspection on this vehicle, so everything checked out okay on it. This vehicle is a non-smoker. There's no rips or tears in the seat. Very clean inside and out. No cracks or fading in the dash. It also has a nice rubber flooring in the bottom. That way you don't have to worry about mud and stuff getting in the carpet. Super nice to have. Now we do have financing available as well. We have rates as low as 4.24, and we also work with people that are trying to rebuild their credit. Again, no rips or tears in the seats back here. You have the same kind of WeatherTech floor mats in the back. It's just Toyota's version. Now this RAV4 is going to be equipped with a backup camera. It's also all-wheel drive too, so it's going to be good in the winter time. A lot of storage back here. You can fold these seats down flat if you need a little more cargo room. Yeah, no rips or tears. This RAV4 is a non-smoker. There's no funny smells on the inside of the vehicle. Alright, this is a 2016 Toyota Rav4, clean CARFAX, one owner, has the remaining of the factory warranty. Guys, just let me know how I can help you out. I'd be more happy to take more photos, another video. Just let me know how I can help you out. I try to make the process easy as possible. Let's hop in the driver's seat and look around a little more. Of course, you have power windows, power locks. No rips or tears in the driver's seat. This car is very clean inside and out. It's been very well taken care of. Got the nice touchscreen in the inside. We're gonna have a nice big backup camera in here. Now below you do have an aux hookup and a USB hookup as well too. You're gonna have a sport mode and an eco mode on this car. And you have Bluetooth on this vehicle as well. So you're gonna be able to sync up your phone, make your telephone calls, all that good stuff. Guys, thanks for taking the time and watching this video. My name is Tim Dawson. Feel free to give me a call or text at 309-310-3034. Have a good day.